back with a new exclusive on the channel. Spring is in full effect, y'all, and I'm feeling every single vibe. So I'm gonna give y'all a makeup and an outfit look today. I'm so excited to film this video. Let's go. Surprise, surprise, I'm doing a full face today, so we're gonna need everything that I have in the closet. I don't know what exactly we'll be using, but I know that this look is gonna come together. So first things first, I'm gonna start with a fresh face. I'm gonna play some music on my TV. You know, I gotta get that mood set. And searching through Pinterest to find inspiration for this look. Of course, the first thing I'm gonna do, y'all, is prime my face. We gotta make sure this look is nice and matte, clean. I want it to be flawless. I'm about to sculpt the mess out of my face. I'm just going to go up and clean up my eyebrows a little, make sure I get all those loose hairs and brush them out so I can begin sculpting a beautiful brow. I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and this will be in the color medium brown. I actually love using dip brow on my eyebrows because I feel like it just gets that perfect defined brow. Now, one thing, I'm really careful when I do this. I like to take it easy, really light and slow, and just build up from there because, like I said, it does like really sculpt your eyebrows, and I'm not trying to mess up my face, you know what I'm saying? But if you do it right, girl, you're gonna be looking bomb. And I'll be cleaning up my brows with this L'Oreal Pro Concealer. This is in the color Warm Honey. I'm just going to take the time to let y'all know now. Today was a great filming day, okay? My mood is on 10. I'm having the time of my life. This spring weather, this warm weather is doing it for me. So I might have a lot of breakout sessions, okay? Just letting you know. Oh God, I feel it coming. I feel it coming. I can't help it. I'm sorry. Ooh. Yikes. Anyway, I'm going to prime my eyelids with this primer. I love this Benefit. It's amazing. I've been using this for the longest time. And then I'm going to take Modern Renaissance as our first thing and go in with this color right here. Now I'm going to take this burgundy color and go right over top of that to try and build up the color and make it a lot, you know, more bold, more colorful, because it's spring, girl. Plus, I wear a lot of black. I got to give them some bright eyes today. Now, just to spice it up a bit, I'm going to take this fluffy brush that comes with my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'll be taking this glittery yellowish color, and I'm just going to put it right in the depths of my crease. Like, not over top of the red, but you know, you want it to pop a little bit. And I love this color. Time to get the lids ready, so we're going to put some concealer on, sculpt out where I want my lid to be. And then I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, and I'm going to set my eyes with it. Alright, now for the lid color, I'm going to take this light flat brush. Well, it's like a small flat, it's kind of fluffy for real. It's a small fluffy brush. And I'm going to go ahead and pat on this purple color just on the outer part of my eye. I'm going to use another color to go on the inner part. But this, wow y'all, look, this looks pretty already. And I didn't even do the whole thing. Purple is my color. So I'm going to take this lighter glittery purple, and that's going to go right in the center of my eye. And I'm just going to fan it out to blend it into the other purple color. Well, I can tell I like this look. Something is missing, and I'm determined to figure it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lighter sparkly color and put it over top of that lighter purple color. I just felt like it needed a little bit more glitter, a little bit more pop. It was looking too much like the darker purple on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to take that and pat it on to bring out, you know, some glitter. Now this look needs a little bit of cleaning up, so I'm just going to take a baby wipe and draw the line where I want my eyeliner to go. This will, 1, clean up my eyeshadow, and 2, just make a little, it's basically a guideline. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, I was a little nervous doing this liner because it's been so long since I've done liquid liner. I was afraid I was about to screw up the whole entire look. And if you know me for real, you would know that would literally ruin my whole day. Like, I would have to start all over. So now I'm just going to put a light coat of mascara on my eyelashes. I am going to be using falsies today, but I want to make sure they blend nicely. I just want to show y'all what it looks like so far. This look is so pretty. I realized I don't have any lash glue, so I'm going to borrow my roommate's. But while I wait for her to be done using it, I'm going to take a couple pictures of my eyes because, you know, why not? I'm feeling good. I'm feeling photogenic, and I want to make sure I capture the moment. If you guys do any looks, capture the moment and comment underneath. Let me see what you're working with. So I'm just going to go ahead and line up my eyelashes with some glue and begin applying them. You know, it's crazy because I used to think putting lashes on was so hard, and now I actually know what I'm doing. I'm that one, okay? Period. And now it's time to get into this full face. We've already primed, and now I'm just looking for a foundation to put on. Frankly, I don't have any liquid foundation, so I gotta make something shake. And I decided to be nifty, creative, and take this pencil and just like, you know, dig into it and get the foundation out so I could spread it on my face. Sometimes you just gotta make it work. And this Fit Me foundation right here, it just saved me. You wanna make sure you blend this foundation out really good. Make sure you get your neck, don't forget it. Now we need to bring out the highlights of the face, so we're going to go back in with that Warm Honey Concealer. You want to make sure you get in really good underneath your eyes. Definitely get your nose, your forehead, your chin. I'm going to go around my lips as well because they tend to be the darker area of my face. And of course, you want to highlight underneath where you'll be putting your contour. Oh, I can already tell this won't be it. This won't be it. One thing I've learned to do is let the concealer sit so that it can like set in a little bit. And that way when you blend it, you're not going to waste as much product. And it's going to be, I don't know, it's going to look good, okay? So go in with your contour. Make sure you really get in. You don't want it to be muddy looking, but of course you got to go around your forehead, get your cheekbones, bring that out. Ooh! I'm just so excited because I haven't done a full face in so long, and I'm just really doing it. It's looking good. So I'm going to take this contour and go in around my nose as well. Alright, now I'm ready to go back in and blend out this. Wow. What? I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm shocked. I'm shocked. Look at this. Bomb. This is crazy. 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 Who are you? 'Cause snatch. You snatched. Period. Period. Okay, enough of that. I'm going to take this Carly Bobel palette and my highlighter brush. I'm going to go in with the second to darkest color. Make sure I build that up. Not too much, but enough. And I'm going to put it right on my brow bone to make sure that pops. And of course I got to put it right on my cheekbones as well. And my nose, and my lip, and my chin. Y'all know it. Y'all know how it goes. Now taking this small precision brush, I'm going to go back into my Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to put that red color that we used right underneath my waterline. You know, just to give it a little razzle dazzle, I'm gonna go back in with that highlight color and put it right in the inner corners of my eyes. And of course, to finish it off, I'll be taking this glitter lip gloss, but first, chapstick. You know, you don't want to overdo it, but if it doesn't look like chicken grease, you're not doing it right. I know, I always say it, I gotta tell y'all, it needs to be shining. So I don't have any setting powder, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to set my face with this powder foundation because it's the best thing we got. And this is the final look. I hope you guys love it because I love it. This came out so nicely. I really took my time with this, okay? I'm proud of myself. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure if you're new to the channel that you come back, hit the like button, and definitely subscribe. We always have stuff for you. And now I'm just going to showcase the outfit. Bye y'all.